Building a house in Minecraft is a creative and enjoyable process that allows you to design a space suited to your needs. Start by selecting a location for your house, ideally somewhere flat with enough space for your design. Clear any trees, tall grass, or any other obstacles from the area to make room for your build. Begin by laying the foundation of your house using materials like wood, stone, or cobblestone. The size and shape of the foundation is going to depend on the type of house that you want to create. Once the foundation is in place, build up the walls. Leave space for windows and a door. You're going to use wood planks. You could also use stone bricks or any of the materials you prefer for the walls, adding variety with different textures if desired. Next, add a roof. The roof can be flat or sloped, depending on your design choice. You can use stairs or slabs to create a slanted roof or just fill it in with solid blocks for a more traditional look. All right, to finish your house, add windows using glass panes or blocks, and install a door to enter. Finally, you're going to decorate the interior with furniture, lighting, and storage chests. With these steps, you're going to have a functional and stylish house in no time.